aming mga kapwa-kawani sa pamalang lungsod, lalo na sa aming UDM family, si Pelma at sampunang liderato ng aming paaralan at ang aming partner sa national government, TESDA. Thank you very much, Ardi, Iway, at sa atin lahat kayo, maraming salamat at kami binagtutuunan ninyo ng pansin yung aming mga nasasakupan na mabigyan ng mga ekwipo kung saan or in line with the city's goal to continue to invest and address MBN, minimum basic needs, housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And as of today, we have produced through the leadership of Jay De La Puente sa ating MDCC na graduates about 1,700 individuals in the last 6 months. They were given enough knowledge and skills so that they can use it in real world and make a living. And recently, as you all know already, a team of Manila and also national government's team through BPI or hindi po yun Bank of Philippine Islands. Bureau of Plans and Industry, wherein I am now looking to do something. Maybe initially will benefit from it, but I believe that the next generation, the next person who will speak before this podium, the next person who will sit in that corner, or any person in the future can come up on how to help the country as a city, as a highly urbanized city, in food production program. Because food insecurity is #1 threat to national security. So that's why your city government went to, and thanks to Singapore government and RP, or Republic Polytechnic, and ITE, we've learned a lot of things, and with that also, the Secretary Kiko is very excited. In fact, yesterday, galing dito yung mga taga-DA, yung ASEC at USEC, na-excite sila doon sa idea on food production, but it needs a lot of skills. While we're going to adopt maybe an Israeli technology with the help of DA, the resources, little resources of the city, plus individuals that we can teach. So that, yun nga, magkaroon ng maayos na playbook na pwedeng maging pangmatagalang gabay ng mga susunod na henerasyon. But for now, today, we are very grateful to TESDA family. On behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much sa tulong ninyo. Tutuwa na naman si Jay, saka si Pelma, marami na naman silang gamit. At yan naman ang pakikinabangan ng mga batang Maynila. In fact, again, if I may add, kaya nalate ako ng 15 minutes, I traveled all the way from Marikina. Hindi po ako nagkamali ng City Hall. Tawa ko Marikina because we have underutilized resources and in line with our direction at mabigyan pa, hindi lang pagkalinga, kasi ang binibigay natin doon, kalingat pagmamahal lamang sa mga napawalay na bata sa kanilang magulang or unloved individuals by their parents. We show them love and care and compassion. At lalo na sa aking mga minamahal at paboritong senior citizen na matitikas pa. Mukhang pinabayaan sila ng kanilang mga mahal sa buhay, o kaya minamahal sila ng siyudad ng Maynila doon sa ating pasilidad. So we will update you from time to time, produce our own food for them, protein and veggies. Just imagine, you use your imagination, because nowadays it is not impossible. If they build it in the desert, we can build it in a fertile land, in a highly urbanized setting. So that's why medyo mahaba-haba yung biyahe. Pasensya ka na mama, napaghintay kita ng 15 minutes. But again, i-update po namin kayo. We will continue. At nagpapasalamat talaga kami dito sa malaking tulong ninyo. Sana mabasa po kayo ng ulan. Nang dumami pa kayo. Muli, TESDA, Manila, national government, local government, working hand in hand. And this is our own little way to show our gratitude by, making our assets, your clients, be directed to the program and will help them to achieve excellence in skills with proper utilities or equipo na maging mga dekalidad na future employees, entrepreneur, ang mga bata at mga individual sa lungsod ng Maynila. Maraming salamat. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng Pong Kapal. Manila, God first.